you can now check your token allocation and also withdraw your token from Pineye Airdrop. So if you come to your airdrop section, you're going to see the total amount of token you are allocated to. Then also here you have just 2 days left to claim or to connect your exchange so that you'll be able to claim it. After 2 days, you won't be able to claim it. So you come to exchange. So here are the exchange available. We have Bybit, Gate, MEXC, MEXC BingX, then coin locally. So then we have L-Bank, Bitmart, XT. So I believe most of you will probably be using Bybit, Gate.io, then probably this. So we're going to, let's just look at Bybit. I have an account. So here you have to connect your UID. So let's check Gate.io. Maybe it's the same thing. So the same thing also. Then here, so UID. So we're going to be checking how to copy your UID. So if you come to your Bybit account at the top here, so you're going to see your UID here. You can see. So I'm just going to copy. Just tap on it. It will be copied. Then you go to your Pineye. Then you click on the Bybit section. Then you paste it there. You get the point. Then you connect exchange. You can see successfully added. So if you want to use a Gate.io, the same process. You come to Gate.io. Then you click. Then you copy your UID. It's the same process you are going to use. So let me show you on Gate.io. So you come here. You can see. So from here you're going to just select here. Then here you see your UID. So it's just the same process, both Gate.io, Bybit, MEXC. So when you copy, then you come back to your app and paste it there. So here I'm using Bybit. So do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, if you are here to start farming Testnet and node projects, you're actually missing out. So check the link in the description of this video for you to get started immediately. See you at the top.